Who is this irresistible creature who has an insatiable love for the dead?
Rage in the cage and piss up on the stage is only one sure way to bring the giant down. Deep from the screams, cemetery things with a one flat foot on the devil's wings. Like a hunchback juice on a sentimental news operation filth. They love to love the wealth of an SS4 making scary sound.